So the last module of kinematics, and the first thing we have to know is an experiment to determine the acceleration of free fall using a falling object. So this is an apparatus that is used. So let's just look at it. There is an electromagnet which is connected to a current source, and this becomes an electromagnet when the current passes through and just becomes a normal metal when the current stops. This is a timer connected to the trapdoor, and the trapdoor is only activated when the ball touches the trapdoor, right? And the H is measured beforehand using a meter rule, right? So when the ball falls, when the current stops, the ball starts to fall from the height H and touches the trapdoor, and the time is basically recorded when the ball reaches or drops from height H, right? So we have the height or displacement, which is H, and this is a known value, by the way, from 1 to 20, usually centimeters, from 1 to 20 centimeters, right? The time is recorded, right? Let's just call it a capital T. We know this value as well, known, right? And another known value is the initial speed of the ball, which is 0, right? Initial speed will always be 0, and the acceleration will be g. So all these four variables will come in the equation s is equal to u t plus 1 over 2 a t square. Now the u is 0, so let's just ignore this. So it becomes s is equal to, and s is h. So, and let me just write h. H is equal to 1 plus 2 g t square, right? So this is how to solve this equation, and you will have the free fall of gravity, right? Now, some errors in this experiment would be systematic errors. Systematic error would be the magnet not stopping instantaneously, right? But the timer will start and the magnet will not stop becoming a magnet instantaneously, and it will attract the ball a little bit as it's going down. So this will increase the time. So magnet attracting the ball as it is going down, right? Now, random error would be parallax error when measuring the H, when measuring H, right? So the scale would might not be exactly perpendicular here, so the reading would maybe increase or decrease, right? So that's a random error.